Hi friends, I am Namrata Kasanava, I assistant professor from Samram Institute of Technology. Today I am going to explain you fifth program, that is in .NET Lab fifth program, uh, that is develop a web application using C# .NET and ASP.NET. Okay, for a bank, it is a bank application we should develop using ASP.NET web forms. The bank database should consist of the database of the bank is table bank. It consists of bank id, okay, bank name. So here bank id, make it as a primary key, table branch id, and bank id. Bank id is a set as a foreign key, okay, to a bank id. Then you can set branch id as a primary key here. Then table account, we have one, two, three account, three tables here. So table account consists of account number, bank id. So bank id is a set as a foreign key for bank id. Then branch id set as a this one, foreign key. Then customer name, address, and contact number, balance. So here they have given one note: account number and bank id together is a composite primary key. So set account number and bank id together as a composite primary key. So I will show how to do the composite primary key. Okay, so here we have to create a three tables: one bank, table bank; second one table bank, table branch; and table bank account. So the database name is given as table, database name as bank. So what are the pages we have to create? What are the forms we have to create? First form I will create, entering a new, see, the master page of this web application should contain hyperlink to a new bank entry. Okay, the form should be, first form should be new bank entry, second form should be new branch entry, then third form is new customer, this is customer customer entry. Okay, these are the three forms, basically main three forms. Then last form is report. Okay, report should contain these queries, three queries it should display. First one, display all records of a particular bank. Okay, if you select particular bank, it should give a display, it should display all records of that particular bank. What are the customer names, that. Okay. Then in a grid view, it should display in a grid view. Display all records of a branch of particular bank. If you select the particular branch, it should display all the records of that particular branch. Then balance should be displayed for the entered account number. Whatever you entered account number, it should display all the details of this account number. Bank and branch are input through combo box. Control combo box controls, and account number is input through a text box. So bank and branch is combo box. Using a combo box tool, we should opt from that. Okay, the account number we can give a text format. So design format of DB is like this. I will create, I will open one, I will open SQL server management. Connect it. Actually I already created bank database. Just click on new database. Okay, write bank as a database name. So in the table, just right click on table, new table, then create one by one. Okay, I have created three tables. They have given table account, table bank, and table branch. So table bank, second, table bank consists of, so the design view of table bank is bank ID as a int, bank name as a vector. I set as bank ID as a primary key. Then branch ID in a int, bank ID in a int, branch name as a int, branch ID I set as a primary key, and bank ID I set as a foreign key. Just click on this bank ID, go to the relationship, add, click on add. I actually have already created. Then expand this table and column specification. Just click on this. Then select the primary key, which is a primary key of that actually table. Then select a column, bank ID. Then OK. Bank ID we have selected as a foreign key. Just click on create a table for account, account number int, bank ID int, branch ID int, set a branch ID as a foreign key, customer name varchar, address varchar, contact int, balance dual. So this two are composite primary key. Just click on this control, click on this, then set as a primary key. Then both are primary key. Then this is over. The creation of table and the creation of the database is over. Then let's move on to the programming part. So first I will create a form. So I will create a site page as like this. Welcome to bank application, new bank. This is a hyperlink, new bank, new branch, new customer, and report. So first open the Microsoft Visual Studio, file, new project, click on web, ASP.NET web application. Okay, you can change the name here. Click on OK. The site.master, it will automatically appear. It will automatically generate the code. This is a default.aspx. So I will just show you how the design view is. This is the design view. Just what is default.asp? Default.asp contains from main content, whatever you see this one, from main content custom, welcome to ASP.NET. To learn more about this, all is under in default.aspx. What is this? My ASP.NET application, home and about me. Then just scroll down here, login page. This is, it is a static. See here, the red mark have come. So this is a site master. What is site master means? This code, whatever this design we have coded, this code is automatically imported for default.asp. Just I will show in a source. Here see the page title equal to home page, just default .asp they have given a home page, language system, master page file. See master page file, this is imported from site.master. So this design they have adopted first, then the whatever the default page, default.asp, it will start after the site.master. So I will just check what is site.master. Click on site.master here, the your project. So this is a site.master. Just I will close this one. Okay, design, just check. See here, see here, here no red mark have come. So this is a site.master. You can edit this one. So I will, here I will make a bank application like welcome to bank application, new bank, new branch, new customer and report. Here I will just edit a instead of my ASP.NET, you can write whatever. Here I have written welcome to bank application. You can write whatever you want. Just make it enough. You can delete this also. You can give a image. You can give a image here, or you can delete. Okay, just delete it. I set a foreground color. This color different. Background color. Just this one. Whatever the text I have given, I will just choose. You can decorate. Just I will change the background color. It is not coming. Just I will change the color of this. Okay. Instead of home, okay. Instead of about us, I will give a new branch, a new bank, new branch, new customer, and report. Okay. Just check the source. Whatever the navigation is there, Just copy first navigation, paste here how many you want navigation. So here I will write new bank, okay. Here this one is new bank, this is new branch. Just write new branch, then new customer, here no space because the page, that is a page, this is a hyperlink. So here last is report. So here these all the pages we have to create, so only it is giving a error. These are the naming, just check the, see here, these are the naming I have given this part: home, new bank, customer, and report. So I will create new bank dot aspx, right click on the project, add new item, use web form using master page. So I will create this one, new bank dot aspx. This name, whatever the name is given, it should match to the navigation name. New bank, then new branch. I will add a new item using master web application, new branch dot aspx, then click on site master, okay. Then I will add another page, another form using webmaster. This is new customer, okay. Click on site master, then add new item using master web application, report, last for report. Click on add, click on site master, okay. Just check the design view, report design view, see here. Click on save, just check the, this is the site.master, this from this is report. So check customer design view, see here, same, new branch, same, new bank, same. So this is over. So I will create a new bank form like this. Enter bank ID, enter bank name, and submit button. Just click on new bank, okay. I will give enter bank ID. So go to view toolbox, give a text box, okay. Then bank ID over bank name, enter bank name, submit button, double click, write it as a submit button. one submit button I will write. Okay, this is over. So I will write a, this is automatically created. I will write a code for this new bank. Click on new bank, expand this one, click on asp.x.cs. So activate this submit button. So add a using .sql namespace. Here we are SQL namespace. Add a connection object. Then add a new button one, that is submit button. So here I will go to Server Explorer, just import our database. Import, I already imported here, just make it active. So you can give a data connection is connection string. Just copy this one and paste here. So here literal, okay. In a bank, after this I will give a literal just to show the information is inserted like that. Literal is used to show the literal. Set this, we are setting literal as info is inserted or record is inserted. First we are connecting a data source using the SQL connection. Then open that SQL connection. SQL command we are using. First query is insert into table bank ID and bank name. It is inserted with this column, with this column. Execute query. If it is executed, then give a information as info inserted. This is over. Just I will execute this just to show. First I will do, okay, enter bank ID. I will enter 66 Axis Bank. So I will add HDFC. Info is inserted. Just I will go to the table. See, 66 HDFC as inserted successfully. So next form is enter new branch. So here this form is enter new branch ID, enter bank ID, enter branch name and submit later. Enter branch ID here. open the new branch.aspx. From this also activate form. Oh, I have to create enter branch ID and bank ID. This is a combo box. You have to select. Start the button. Okay. This is a combo box. Don't select anything. Enter bank ID. This is also a drop down list. Enter branch name. Text box. Then one submit button. Then one little activate the icon. So I will add a code for new branch. SQL namespace. Then activate create a connection. Then the form load. I will add a code. This code consists of SQL connection, the data source name, then SQL command, first query, select bank ID from bank. Okay, whatever the this enter branch ID, right? So I am writing one query for selecting a bank ID from bank table. Then read that table. Then we are giving in a drop down list. So first whatever the option they have selected, just get in and add it to here. Then I will add a code for button click. We are creating a data source. So SQL command, we are inserting a table, branch ID, bank ID and branch name values in this column. So after inserting, add this values in this column. Branch name, here it is giving error. text box 1 it is. This is branch ID. I have to give a text. Sorry, branch ID. Here I have to give a text box. So this one becomes text box 2. Text box 2. So I just this one drop down list 2. 2. This one is 2. So now it is correct. Save it. Just execute whether it is correct or not. Okay. See, automatically it has come. Branch ID I will create 66. So I will select 66 only. I have created HDFC branch Rajajinagar. Then submit. Info is inserted. So just check the table whether it is created or not. Show table 66 is created. So I will add a code for new customer. Customer table should contain account number, bank ID, enter account number. So text box. Then we should add bank ID. Combo box. Then branch ID combo box. Then customer name, text box. Then we should add address, phone number and balance. Address, this one I will change it to multiple line for address. Then contact number, text box. balance is balance amount. Then submit button. Then I will add a code for this new customer. SQL client namespace for a load. Just adding a code button, that is submit button. Okay, here in page load we are creating a connection. After creating the connection, we are adding one SQL query, that is select bank ID from table bank for a drop down list, first one. Then second query is select branch ID from the drop down list we have to select. Then after that, in a submit form, I am giving a query for insert table into account number, bank ID, branch ID, customer name and address, contact number and balance. So here we have added, if it is inserted, just show me the info is inserted. So save, just click on run. Okay, text box. What the error is? By mistake, I have I have activated that text box, so it is creating the okay, text box 6 here. So I will just change 4 to 6. Now it will work. Then save and run. So enter account number 6666. Okay. Bank ID 66. Branch ID 666. Customer name Namrata. Address Rajajinagar. Contact number 12345678. balance 50,000 submit info is inserted. So just check the information has inserted or not in the table. So see here, info is inserted. Namrata. Okay. Now last form is report. So for report we have three queries. First query, it should display all the record. I will create all the query in one form only. First query, it should display all the record using a bank ID. Then second query, display all record using a particular branch. I will use BranchID. Balance should be displayed for entered account number. So I will add an account number, bank ID, account number and bank ID and the bank ID for that. So after executing, it should show the report. So first query is go to report, go to design. I will just add a first query. Just understand, first query is to execute or display all the records for a particular branch. Okay, I will display, I will select a branch, bank ID. Select database, select database. This is over. Then in a button execute, I will write. Then second query is display all the record particular batch. Second select drop down. Select branch. Query 3 Here in this query, I have to select branch bank ID. I will activate this button 2 and button 3. I will add a code for. I am using SQL data connection and a data namespace. Adding the code for form load. I will add a code for so I will create only one button because button in my toolbox button has deleted, so I will create only one report. That is only one query I will add. First query. So same for third and fourth query, same. Just execute using the buttons. So here only one query I am adding. First query to show all the record. Okay, just adding button 1. So here drop down list will not come to only one query. Create a grid view. Select a column. Here we are showing the bank ID and branch. So save, execute. And select 66, execute query. Okay, this whenever this error comes, data source, just go to report .asbx source, just click on this. uh, I will just show you what is the error. Okay, both data source and data source ID are defined in grid view. So remove one definition. Just I will remove a data source ID in select preview. Data source ID in sp.x. If that error comes, just remove one definition. Now execute. Save it. Execute. See, the report has come for the query execution of first query. So the same for second query and fourth query. Okay. Uh, then for default page, I will set welcome to instead of this bank application. Okay, just save it. Set as first page. Then stop debugging. Click on run. Default page will start first. Say default dot SPX. So this is our bank application home. This is the home. New bank account, new bank. I will create another 100. I will create bank ID, bank name, State Bank of India. Submit. Okay. New branch ID. I will give 100 only. Bank ID 100. I will select branch name Vijaynagar. Submit. Created. New customer account 1000. Okay. Bank ID 100. Okay, 100. Branch ID 100. Customer name A B C D E F G. Something like that. ContactNo. Balance 10,000. Voice. Okay, overflow. This. So insert it. Then report. I will just show for the 100. State Bank of India. So do for the query second and third. So what was the question? We have to create a bank application. Develop a bank application. The bank database should consist of 3 tables: data bank and table branch and table account. The pages should be new bank entry, new branch entry, new customer entry. The report should consist of display all the record of particular bank, display all record of branch particular bank, display the balance should be displayed in the entered account. So first report I have developed. Just do same for second and third. This is Namrata from Samram Institute of Technology, Assistant Professor. This is a fifth lab I have explained in a .NET lab for MCA student, 5th sem MCA student. Thank you.